Okay, so this is math set 82A, taking the log of exponential equations. We're actually going to do 82B as well. Okay, so just to review, just about logarithms, anytime that you don't have a base listed, it's always going to be base 10. And so log of 100 is the same as log base 10 of 100. Log of x is the same as log base 10 of x. And the same thing goes true for natural logs. Natural log always has a base of e. So natural log of x is the same as log base e of x. They are the same thing. Okay, now we're going to talk about exponential powers. All of these are considered powers. However, these two are special and they are called exponentials because they have variables in the power. So equations that have exponentials are ... exponential equations. So we're going to practice solving exponential equations. Just a quick review about how to solve logarithms. If you have log to the 1/2 power of x equals 2, we would say 1/2 to the second power is equal to x. So, sorry. Okay. So that is going to equal 1/4. Log of 10 to the x is the same as x log to the 10 because we take that power and we move it in front. Okay, same thing true with natural logs. Natural log of 4 to the x power is going to be x natural log of 4. Okay, so we can solve some exponential equations by taking the log of both sides, and that is pretty much what our lesson is going to be today, is taking the log or the natural log of both sides as the first step. So what you have to remember is a log base 10 is 1 and a log base e of e is also 1. Okay, so let's get started. Solve this problem. So the very first step is we're going to take the log of both sides. That power moves to the front, so we'll rewrite it. And then we can take the log of 10 is 1 and the log of 8 is 0.9031, and then it's just simple solving equations, and we end up with x is 0.5845. Okay, let's do the next problem. We have an e, so we're going to use natural log. So natural log of both sides. That power is going to move to the front. So we'll rewrite it. And then we'll solve. Natural log of e is 1, so it cancels out. So we have negative 2x plus 3 is the natural log of 5. We know the natural log of 5 on the calculator, 1.6094. Solve the equation. X is 0.6953. Okay, next problem. Okay, so in this case we have different bases, but that doesn't matter. We can still take the log of both sides. When we take the log of both sides, those exponents move to the front. Okay, when those exponents move to the front, we're able to take the logs using the calculator. And then it's just simple solving equations. So here we're going to distribute. So 2 times 0.6990 is 1.398 minus 0.0699. And then we will distribute here as well. So we will get 0.77, oh that should be a 7, 0.7782x minus 1.5564. Go ahead and solve the equation from there. And we get x is equal to 1.3833. Okay, last problem. In this problem, it's a little bit trickier. we are dealing with exponentials, and we're dealing with e, so we're going to take the natural log of both sides. But we have to remember, this is not one term, it is 6 times e. That power only applies to e. So we have to split it up, and when we're doing logarithms, we split them up with addition. So this becomes the natural log of 6 and the natural log of e to the 2x plus 3. Now we can solve using our calculator and moving the exponents to the front. Okay, natural log of e is going to cancel out, or actually what we're going to do is we'll subtract that 1.79 from 1.3, we get negative 0.4. 2x plus 3, the natural log of e cancels out. Solve for x. We get negative 1.7028. And that's it.